Alright, in this screencast I'm going to show you probably our preferred way of solving the problem of having directions pages, but also I'm going to give you some important details about how to actually work with Divi next time. I saw that you made a couple of errors with the way that you did some setup, and I think it was just due to a tutorial where you'd followed somebody who was giving you bad advice. So anyway, I've adjusted this to where this opens just as it pops open a new tab, and I think that's going to be our best way to do this. It's a easy convention for people to follow, and it doesn't add overhead as far as site load times and things like that. We can just quickly get that done. We pop it open and we can click on these map links and hotel and venue information, and we've got this pretty page that you've set up. Now I've got our Chicago page set up in a fashion that I want to show you something that you did previously. So previously we didn't have this page set to full height, and I figured out an easy way to do that. And also, I guess the tutorial you had followed had told you to insert an image and then a text, and then when I looked at your text module, you got these extra. I don't know if you'd realized you'd done this or not. If you'd done it on purpose, then we want to make sure we don't do this again. You had inserted these columns. There may be reasons to do it at some point in the future. However, this was just a big mess. There's an easier way to do this, a lot cleaner and within the Divi interface. And so let me show you how we get this done. So first we do insert a row, make it a 2-column row. Then let's go into this text module and I'll show you the settings changes. So I've kept that image and your text, but that's all I've kept. I haven't used any of the other HTML elements. Set the text color to light. Then I go into the advanced design settings. And so if we want a background color on this guy, just enter in the B to T blue color, make that the background, set our custom padding at 40 pixels. That's what this does, 40 pixel padding, blue color right there, and we've got it all done within the interface. Also, if we want to have it positioned a little bit from the top, instead of adding a blank row like you originally had for some padding, what you can do is let's add some custom CSS. And so come in here, and this is going to be CSS that's added to the main element, the element itself, like this big block that's colored B to T blue. I'm going to set the margin top equal to 10 viewport units of height, and there's 100 viewport units, so that's the total height of the browser viewport. That's going to place it 10 down. Whatever the size of the viewport height, it's going to position it, and so that'll give us a nice positioning. So we do that there. So we'll save that. Then also this particular background, if you want to make it a full height background, all you have to do is set its height to 100 viewport units of height, 100 VH, and there you've got that. Now we can come in and get rid of this. I had the other one, the other info for this page already on this page, just to show us how we don't want that. So we'll go ahead and delete that row, save it, and what you've got is a much cleaner setup. You just add a text element and 2 columns and set the background color, and use your viewport units to position things and also make the height the full height. And so now we've got this beautiful design that you set up, and it's much cleaner in its back end setup.